Hello guys, today I want to tell you how to make mini aquarium on Minecraft. And this is an equipment that we need to make that. You can see you can prepare the barrel, glass, cylinder, sand, concrete, but I prefer to use light blue concrete, bone meal, water bucket, bucket of fish, and terracotta. And the first thing that you can do is create a space just like can dig here 2, 3, 4, 5. Until 5. Just like wow, it's like this guys. Okay, and we can fill it with sand. Okay, so like that, and we can build a wall using this terracotta, just like this. And go here to build.
Isahan ke
Tinggal record. Nuhun guys. Okay, like this. Okay, when you are finished to make the wall, and now we can drop barrel here. Okay, so we drop barrel, we can draw glass. Okay, the barrel glass. Can drop glass here, and this can add the trapdoor. Spruce trapdoor. Can add trapdoor. Just like that. And this is an empty aquarium, and we can fill it. We can go to the back. And we can see, wow, and we can can add sun here. Just like this. Add sun, and then we can add light blue concrete. Okay, just like this. And now we can go up here. To fill it with water. Wow, it's like that. And we can add bone meal to make kelp and add bucket tropical fish. And we can close again. Wait. Can add sea lantern here. You can see. Wow, this is our aquarium, mini aquarium. And this is, guys, mini aquarium that we can make on Minecraft. I hope it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.